Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a simple program in Python that will ask the user to give first and second value, and then our program will compute the product of two numbers in Python. Before we continue, thank you so much to all my subscribers to my channel. We are gradually improving in terms of numbers. I am very inspired and thankful for your support, your comments, suggestions, questions, and most importantly, your subscription. Rest assured, as long that I can manage my time and effort, I will do my very best to give you simple and practical tutorials on computer programming on different programming language. So if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now I am using a Python IDE, IDLE. So Python Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is free to download, so I'm using this one. So you have here the comment in Python. The comment is sharp, yours truly, my website, where you can download free source code. I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the complete program listing. And then my email address, jrpomperada@gmail.com. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, where I live. Now here we have here print for new line, and then title for our program, \t, product of two numbers in Python, print. So we have here input on variable a and b, so int because it is an integer. Normally the input command in Python, it will accept for string, so we have to use a built-in function called integer to convert any value that is being given into an integer value. So what is an integer? An integer is a data type in any programming language which composed only with a whole number, positive and negative numbers. And then this is for the input, and then we have here the process. So we have here a product variable which perform a multiplication of variable a and b. So new line, and then we have here the display. So product of curly bracket 0 and curly bracket 1 and 2. So format a comma b comma product. So new line, and then end of program, which inform the user that the program has been ended in new line. Now to run our program, we simply go to run and then select run module. So it is running. So product of two numbers in Python, enter first value, let's say in this example 6, second value let's say 8. So the product of 6 and 8 is 48. End of program. Okay, so that's it. Very simple, no? So let us close, and then we try again to run the module for second time around. So product of two numbers in Python, enter first value let's say 10, second value let's say 4. So the product of 10 and 4 is 40. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you like it, and then you learn something new in this video tutorial on how to create product of two numbers in Python. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, please share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.